In this tutorial, we will create a redeemable video promotion. A redeemable video can be a product video, marketing video, or any other type of video content you want users to pay attention to. This type of promotion works well when you have great content that you don't want to get lost or scrolled past in a social media feed. Users view your video in the MyFavorito mobile app. Once they watch the video in full, they can click redeem and send money to their club. Hover over promotions in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Redeemable Video. Give your video a title. This is what the fan will see in the mobile and web app. Provide a description. Select which users this promotion is relevant for. And you can also set a limit on how many times this video can be watched and redeemed by all users. Provide a link to your video. You can add a preview image from the video or upload a preview image later. Decide who can redeem this video and then enter the amount that you are going to send to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem this promotion. So in this case, it's 50 cents. Select your store. Upload a preview image. This is what the fan will see with the promotion title, so make sure it's a high quality, engaging image. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the video will be active for, and choose a follow-up action for users that redeem this video. Click Save. You have now created your first redeemable video. Now let's check it out in the app. Users can view the promotion, watch, once the video is complete, the redeem button activates, and the user can send money to their favorite sports club.